Hey guys, welcome back. So we're gonna jump into coding PHP with Apache and how to interact with a web server and the user, right? What the user inputs and what we want to output to the user. So real quick, I want to just take a quick look at quick review. You'll notice we're basically back to our hello world. Let me actually even fix this so it says hello world. There's one difference in this. Oh crap. There is one difference in this hello world for the web server than there is compared to our command line stuff. So we're not outputting to the command line where we have a \n for a new line. We're now outputting HTML. So we need to follow, if we want to have a new line, we need to follow the HTML stuff, right? The tags, we need to use HTML tags, which is either the BR inside the greater than less than, or we can put paragraph tags or whatever. But that's the big difference that I want to call out here. So probably you did this already, but if not, go ahead, pause this video just right here and then just make a quick hello world, or you can actually, never mind, hang on to that. Yeah, go ahead and make a quick hello world, right? Go ahead, yeah, pause the video right here and make a quick little hello world and then come back. And there's the next thing I want to review again is the mixing of HTML. Actually, let me show you the first let me go to, so this is our hello world in PHP, right? We're just outputting to the screen, hello world. Once again, that's like the simplest program. That program can be. All lessons in programming start with hello world. So the next thing we're going to quickly review is, again, with PHP, the whole file can be PHP, or we can, in an HTML file, we can mix little snippets of PHP just to keep things clean, right? So that we don't have to quote every little tag and every little everything in the HTML, right? It can make things cleaner and simpler and easier to read. So here, there's two things going on here. If we ignore the title and the other stuff, we don't really care about that. We're outputting from straight regular HTML. We have a paragraph that just says this is straight HTML. And then we have our PHP open and close tags. And then we're echoing, remember echo is basically a synonym for print. We're echoing a little paragraph thing saying this is PHP echoing HTML. And if we look at that on our screen or on our web server, this is what that looks like. That this is straight HTML and this is PHP echoing HTML. So the end result is the same, but it's really just a question of how do we want to get there, and that's entirely a stylistic choice that's up to you, right? So I personally don't have any preference. I've done both. Well, actually that's not true. I like to, it depends, right? I personally may like to actually keep the whole thing straight PHP and just keep track of my, just make sure I have everything quoted carefully, but it's entirely up to you how you want to do it. So, all right, that's it for this lesson. For the homework, I want you to basically just do that like what we said. I want you to try and make a mixed file that echoes out, here's a line that's HTML, and then, or that prints out, just in regular HTML, here's, hello world in HTML, and then also in the same file, an enclosed PHP block that echoes out to the screen something else. This is PHP echoing HTML. So, all right, that's it for this one, and I'll see you guys on the next one.